Hi, this is a short video trying to explain the current demonstration in Hong Kong. The protests which affect Hong Kong in China in order to get reform of the electoral code are an international topic. Hong Kong has not seen a protest on this scale for years. These demonstrations are called Occupy Central, and the protests have begun on the 22nd of September and declined when the police of Hong Kong used tear gas on the protesters. First, the movement was launched by democracy activists called Occupy Center. Then, students of Hong Kong began a separate class boycott. And protesters have called for the resignation of the chief executive, Leung Chun-ying. But it was always unclear exactly how much support Occupy Central could count on. They said that when the demonstration began, a spontaneous outpouring helped boost crowds. Tens of thousands of ordinary Hong Kong residents took the streets. Most witnesses report a peaceful and cooperative atmosphere, but the police have used tear gases and batons on occasion. But the rapid growth of the student-led campaign could also change the dynamic. Before the protest began, activists admitted the movement was unlikely to sway China. The movement Occupy Central want to weaken the role of the government in the Chinese economy, and they want more direct democracy. The campaigner and the protester want political reform and democratic elections. To enable direct election, the government of Hong Kong will have to present a political reform plan to the Legislative Council for a vote. If the proposal is voted down, Hong Kong will be unable to implement universal suffrage. The British government and the American government support the protests. The Great Britain supports the call for democracy in Hong Kong. And the Vice Prime Minister, Nick Clegg, even called the ambassador of China in to talk about the worries of the British government.